Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in today's video we have a question that is asking us to find tangent alpha minus sine alpha over sine alpha minus cosine alpha if tangent alpha over 2 is equal to 1 over 4. So as for the solution, we have to remember two main formulas that we have. The first one is tangent alpha based on tangent alpha over 2, and the second one is sine alpha based on tangent alpha over 2. So we are making use of these two formulas because we have the answer for tangent alpha over 2, but we need to find out what is tangent alpha and what is sine alpha. So basically, if you remember these two formulas, you will be able to solve this problem. So we are going to write down the formula for tangent alpha, which is equal to 2 times tangent alpha over 2 over 1 minus tangent alpha over 2 power 2. So we are going to put what we have as for the tangent alpha over 2, which is 1 over 4. So tangent alpha would be equal to 2 times 1 over 4 over 1 minus 1 over 4 power 2. This will be equal to 1 over 2 over 1 minus 1 over 16. So then tangent alpha would be equal to 1 over 2 over 15 over 16. And the answer would be equal to 8 over 15. So this was tangent alpha, but we also need sine alpha and cosine alpha. So let's write down the formula that we have for sine alpha as based on tangent alpha over 2. So sine alpha would be equal to 2 times tangent alpha over 2 over 1 plus tangent alpha over 2 power 2. We know that tangent alpha over 2 is 1 over 4, so we're going to replace it. So sine alpha would be equal to 2 times 1 over 4 over 1 plus 1 over 4 power 2. So it's gonna be 1 over 2 over 1 plus 1 over 16. 1 plus 1 over 16 is 17 over 16. So the final answer would be equal to 8 over 17. So the sine alpha would be equal to 8 over 17. And we also need to find the cosine alpha. So we know that tangent alpha is equal to sine alpha over cosine alpha. So we have the sine alpha and we have the tangent alpha. We're going to replace the values, 8 over 15 for tangent alpha and 8 over 17 for sine alpha, and we can find the cosine alpha based on that. So we're going to have 8 over 15 times cosine alpha equals 8 over 17, which means that our cosine alpha is equal to 15 over 17. So we have the three values, and we are going to replace it into the problem. I'm going to copy the question once again and paste it here. So tangent alpha was equal to 8 over 15 minus 8 over 17 over 8 over 17 minus 15 over 17. So I'm going to multiply 17 to the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction. So 8 times 17 minus 15 times 8 over 17 times 15 over minus 7 or negative 7 over 17. So it will be 2 times 8 over 15 over minus 7 over 1. So the final answer would be equal to minus 16 over 7 times 15, or negative 16 over 105. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and put a comment if you want. Thank you so much.